Guys, what's up? PJ here on Pocket Tech. Today let's do a fun video. I would like to show you all what's on my phone. Are you ready to see? Okay. Before I show you what's on my phone, I would like to show you which phone I am currently using. Right now I am using OnePlus 8 Pro. I recently moved to 8 Pro from iPhone SE. It's quite a bit difficult for me to adjust to Android coming from Apple family. I have a black 8 Pro. It looks glossy and it's so smooth. I have already dropped it so many times. Trust me, I am pretty bad at handling phones, but luckily it survived. Coming to my lock screen wallpaper, it is a black screen with a quote stating everything will be okay. I guess everyone in your life must have thought that everything will be okay, right? I wish the same happens one day for me too. And on the home screen, you can see a Golden Gate wallpaper. It's one of my favorite places in the world. If you would like to see a Golden Gate tour, let me know in the comment section below. On the screen, you can see a clock with day and date. On the bottom dock, you can see the phone, which you generally use to make calls. On the beside that, I have Messages app just for texting, and in the middle you can see a Google Chrome. Mostly I use the browse and eat Google's brain a lot. Beside that, we have a camera, which I use most, and the last app on the dock is the Play Store. Top of the dock, I have Google Maps and settings. Basically, I need everything to be organized and arranged, even apps on my phone as well. So, I have arranged apps based on the usage, purpose, and category. First folder on the screen is named as Social. My first app here is WhatsApp. I'm pretty sure everyone know what it is and how you use it. The next app here is Pinterest. Pinterest is like Pinboard. You can choose the topic you would like to find out for. For suppose, if you are searching for any fashion, then you can see a lot of options. If you like any image, you pin it to the board. I have so many pins and so many boards saved. You can even follow people you like. If you would like to follow me, you can see my username on the screen. The next app is Facebook Page Manager. If you have any Facebook page, then this app will be so helpful to maintain. Please follow us on our Facebook page. You can see the username on the screen. The next app we have here is Instagram. It's my most favorite app. Comment and let me know who is your favorite Instagrammer. If you would like to follow us on Instagram, our username is displayed on the screen. Follow us there for more updates. The next app I have here is Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat much. I only use Snapchat to sync my Bitmojis. The last app here on social folder is Facebook. I know for many of you, Facebook is the first social platform you might have created. The next folder I have here is Edit. The first app here is Unfold. I use this generally to create my Instagram stories. You will have so many templates and filters available to edit your story. Next app I have here is Background Eraser. I use it to edit my thumbnails whenever I am editing using my mobile. Next I have Fonto. This one also I use to edit my thumbnails. Next folder I have here is Video. First app I have is Amazon Prime Video. Whenever I am in mood to watch Telugu movies, I use this app. We have a huge collection of movies available in this app. Next app I have is Netflix. During this quarantine, I was addicted to Netflix. Last week I started watching Money Heist. Now I am on season 4. It's so interesting and exciting. You guys also check it if you are interested watching Netflix. Next, I have TikTok. I know many of you are aware of this app. I do have account, but I don't really post anything. I'll just scroll through. First app here I have is my YouTube. YouTube would be my go through for everything and anything. Next folder I have here is shopping. Generally, I don't personally like online shopping. I rather prefer walking to the store. But this quarantine made me do online shopping. First app I have here is Sephora. If I need to buy any moisturizers or any makeup products, I'll buy at Sephora. They will have a huge collection of products. Recently, I bought so much stuff on Sephora sale. If you want to see my Sephora favorites, let me know in the comment section below. Next, I have Amazon. I'm pretty sure you all know about Amazon. Next app is Best Buy. If I need to buy any electronics, I buy them from Best Buy. Sometimes they will have a good sale. Next, I have Expedia. Whenever I'm going on vacation, I'll book my car using this app. They have pretty good deals compared to other all websites I know. The next app I have here is booking.com. I'll book my hotel when I am going on vacation. You will get good deals on booking.com more compared to Expedia. It is my personal opinion. The next app I have here is Groupon. I use this app for coupons. Mostly I'll buy my nail spa haircut coupons here. Next app I have here is Southwest. I frequently travel between states. I only fly through Southwest. So I have their app handy to check in and for some other purposes. Next folder here is email. I only use Yahoo Mail and Gmail mostly. Next I have a folder named Tools. The first app I have here is Newsbreak. I installed this app recently to get COVID-19 real-time updates. Next app I have Speed Test. This app is to find out network speed. I use at least twice in day to check my network speed. It's pretty slow these days. Next I have Grammarly. It is very helpful to correct our grammar mistakes. You can see there are plenty of options available to set. Even you can set it for auto corrections, spelling mistakes, punctuations and many more. The last app here is wallpapers. When I am not in a mood to use my pictures, then I'll download few wallpapers from here. Next folder I have here is food. Here I have Starbucks. I'm a huge fan of Starbucks. Let me know what's your favorite Starbucks drink. The another food app I have here is Domino's. I really love Domino's pizza. If you order using the app, then after 60 points you can get free pizza. Who doesn't love free stuff? Let me know. Next folder I have here is named as Google. I have bunch of apps here like Google Chrome, Google Maps, Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Pay and Google Calendar. These are all the miscellaneous apps which I get from Google. The another folder I have here is games. I have Ludo King, Temple Run, Hill Climb Racing, PUBG and Asphalt 9. I have did a speed test using these apps. If you haven't seen that video, link in the description below. The other folder I have here is music. I have Google Play Music. Usually I have a playlist on here. Next I have Gaana. I usually listen to Desi songs by using Gaana. The last app I have here is YouTube Music. If I am in a mood to listen to any latest song, then I'll use YouTube Music. If you are a premium YouTube user, then you will get YouTube Music for free. The another folder I have here is Reading. In this folder, I have only two apps. One is Amazon Kindle. I usually read my novels here. The another app I have here is Audible. Whenever I don't have time, then I listen to the books. The last folder we have here is Office. In this folder, I have all the apps which I use for my office purpose. I have Microsoft Teams, which we use for internal communications. Sorry guys, I really can't open and show what's inside. The next app I have here is Outlook. We use for sending emails among our company. The next app I have here is LinkedIn. This app is generally used to maintain professional identity. The next app here is Zoom. This app is used for video communications and for the video meetings. During this quarantine, this app has the highest downloads. The next app on my phone is Voice. It is the Google app which I use as my alternative number. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe to Pocket Tech and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Stay home, stay safe.